Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Skills Channel. This is episode 3. I am P. John, your teacher.
Hi, I'm Ginny. I love this podcast.
Thank you, Jenny. Today we learn about home, rooms, furniture, and telling time. Very useful words. Ready?
Yes, very ready.
Good. Listeners, repeat every word. Speak slow, then fast. Let's start. Part 1. My home and rooms. P. John. First, home. House. Apartment. Room. Kitchen. Bedroom. Bathroom. Living room. Door. Window. Floor.
I live in an apartment. I have a bedroom and a kitchen.
Nice. This is my house. I have a big living room. Where do you sleep, Ginny?
I sleep in the bedroom.
Yes. Listeners, say, I live in a house. I live in an apartment. I cook in the kitchen.
I watch TV in the living room.
Perfect. Part 2. Things in the home. P. John. Now, furniture and things. Bed. Table. Chair. Sofa. Television. TV. Lamp. Clock. Fridge. Stove. Cup. Plate.
I have a big bed and a small table.
I have a red sofa. What is in your kitchen, Ginny?
Fridge, stove, cups, plates.
Great! Listeners, point and say, this is a bed. This is a chair. This is a TV. Part 3. Telling time. Very important. P. John, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. Up to 12 o'clock. P. John, half past means it is 6:30. O'clock, it is 7 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, time to learn English.
Yes. More words. Quarter past means it is 8:15. Quarter to means it is 8:45.
8:15, 15 minutes after 8.
Very smart. Listeners, say it is 1 o'clock. It is 3:30. It is 9:45. Part 4. Daily time words. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, today, tomorrow, yesterday.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night.
Perfect. What do you do in the morning?
In the morning, I wake up and eat breakfast.
In the evening?
In the evening, I watch TV and sleep.
Practice time. Questions. P. John, fast practice. Answer with us. Where do you sleep, Jenny?
In the bedroom.
Where do you cook?
In the kitchen.
What time is it now?
It is blank o'clock.
What is in the living room?
Sofa and TV.
When do you eat dinner?
In the evening at 7 o'clock.
Super! Final review. All words again. P. John, time for review. Repeat loud. P. John, rooms, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, living room. P. John, things, bed, table, chair, sofa, television, TV, lamp, clock, fridge, stove, cup, plate. P. John, time, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, half past, quarter past, quarter to. P. John, daytime, morning, afternoon, evening, night. P. John, sentences. I live in a house. I sleep in the bedroom. What time is it?
I know all the words now.
Yes, Ginny, you are fantastic. Listeners, you are fantastic too. Tell your family, this is my bedroom. Look at the clock.
Yes, my mother will be happy.
Thank you, Ginny. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, P. John. See you in episode 4.
Goodbye. Practice every day.
Goodbye. Have a good day and good night.